Hello teacher, my name is Valentina Torres, my course is Decimo. My subject is Adventure Traveler, present perfect, just, yet, and just, and already. Adventure Traveler, go biking, go on cruise, go on bowling, go to mountain and biking. But already rafting. I'll go on safari. I'll go to summer camp. Camp. My adventure traveling, my is of a safari. Go to camp. What is of direction? Is activity of travel correct. The activity of traveling while carrying your clothes and another things to need to go back. My go back is direction of occurrence. White to my go by is the spare and line of percussion, usually calling a number. To sail of travel over is boy and of weather and blouse and watching in and cries, etc. Activity is done in sea in animals in Africa. A large in pretty world is back on in a gas. Dixing on right on floor is a support in which participant climb in this on cross on natural rocks. Already present perfect, already, yet, and just. What is present perfect? So structure and present perfect. My structure in present perfect is subject, auxiliar, verb in participle. What is principal is verb in participle and complement. Have or has. Where you have is we, they, and we. And has it, he, she, or never. For example, he is working on dice. Present perfect. Present perfect my example. I am sorry, but in ship already let hours ago. We haven't noticing not yet. I love just never care. Already and just already before to the main verb use positive in something correct is very yet and just before the main verb use positive sentence. It's very recent. See, in has is very recent. Yet is positive on sentence of the end is used negative sentence. Negative sentence. Example, I am sorry, but I'm already. Is already. When you have silent alone yet, my wife, I am just while look everything. Thank you. Bye.